Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcakes from biscuits. First, gather your ingredients like canned biscuit dough, your favorite cupcake filling, and frosting. This guide will help you create a delightful treat with minimal effort, perfect for any occasion. It's a fun and simple way to enjoy homemade cupcakes without starting from scratch. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this clever dessert hack. Begin by selecting a can of your preferred biscuit dough from the grocery store. Carefully separate each biscuit. Next, gently flatten each one into a thin, even circle about 4 inches in diameter. This creates the perfect base for your cupcake. Finally, press each flattened biscuit into the cups of a greased muffin tin, forming a small cup shape. Now it's time for the fun part, adding your filling. Spoon about 1 to 2 tablespoons of your favorite cupcake filling, like fruit preserves or chocolate spread, into the center of each biscuit cup. Then, bake your creations in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. Look for golden brown edges and a firm, set center. Once baked, carefully remove your biscuit cupcakes from the oven and let them cool completely on a wire rack. This step is crucial before you begin frosting. Once cooled, unleash your creativity. Decorate with your favorite frosting, sprinkles, or other toppings. These delightful treats are perfect served warm or at room temperature, making them a versatile dessert for any gathering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.